Hey guys, so as you can see I'm doing a blindfolded one-handed solve right here. This was a challenge suggestion and I think I got a pretty decent time, which you'll see at the end here. I was pretty excited about it because I've been trying to go for speed and I hadn't really gotten a success in a while. So yeah, as you can see I also inspected with two hands instead of one hand as some people do, and I don't think it really matters that much to be honest, and it's not an official event so there aren't really any official rules about it. But, yeah, if you really care about it, feel free to consider this a +2 or something in your mind. It really doesn't matter to me. Anyway, leave any suggestions you have for other challenges in the comments below, and I'll, maybe do one of them at some point. Give it a couple weeks. 3 weeks. I don't know when I'm gonna do another one of these. Okay, I'm just trying to talk through the entire inspection because there's not much going on here. You're just watching me look at a cube and touch it with both of my hands, which might bother some people. Something that's kind of interesting about the solve is that it took about a minute for every step, and by each step I mean memorization, and then solving the edges, and then solving the corners. So it was kind of interesting that they all took about the same amount of time. Okay, good. It looks like he's about to solve here, and by he, I mean me. So I can stop talking. Goodbye.
Boom!